Hi everyone, what's up? Today is a trading day. It's a Tuesday, so I'm going to do a portfolio updates as well as see whether if there's any chance to add some shares. Market open today mostly in the red for my portfolio as I am quite heavy in the semicon like NVDA and AMD. There's some bad news today, not so good news today for both NVIDIA and AMD as Google is developing their own AI chips and they may not buy as many chips, so-called they may not buy as many chips from NVIDIA in the future. I mean, all this we are not sure. Meta is also buying chips from Google, so just not so good news for both AMD and NVIDIA. So let's take a look at the chart now. The watch list today. AMD now down 8.7%. I think close to 9%. NVIDIA was down 6 to 7%. Lam Research today down by 3%. TSM, there's also some news regarding China and Japan. Some kind of a tension between China, Taiwan, and Japan. Marvell is also down today. Palantir is down today as well. I'm just going to do a quick update. I'm not going so much into detail why I'm buying this company or sharing the fundamentals. So just a quick market updates. Tesla is down today. Just some of the stocks in my watch list. Microsoft is down today as well. Palo Alto, Adobe is still down. SoFi is down. And let's move my face away. We can see what are the companies that's going up. Celsius is going up today, a plus 4%. Google 3%. Nike is going up. Meta is going a little bit, about 2%. Okay, let's take a look at our portfolio first. Move my face again. So today, just give a quick update on my portfolio. So the biggest P&L first. This in terms of percentage, the biggest loss now is Fiserv. And then I have ELF here. I intend to add some ELF later. Celsius holding today up 4%. I will not be adding. It's down 29%. Palantir, Meta, Adobe. I might be adding some Adobe later. NVIDIA, let's see. Yeah, I could add NVIDIA. Amazon, I'm also keen to add Amazon. Fortinet, AMD, I will not be adding AMD at this moment. I think I already got 4 shares here. Marvel, I'll leave it. So let's take a look if we can add some ELF first. ELF. Sorry, shift my face here. Okay. So you can see the big drop here. So ELF is still hovering around this range, $71. Let's see if we can buy ELF today. High. I can't see it here. Sorry. So let's see if I can get an ELF share at $70. This is my first time trading on this, just one share. So that's like $70 to buy. Quick trade. Okay. Buy one share of ELF at $70. Limit buy. Press buy. ELF. Just confirm everything again. Okay. The order submitted. Next. Celsius holding. Celsius holding today is on a green day, so let's not buy anything for. It's more than about 5% up. I usually like to buy when it's a red for the company on that day. So next, let's take a look at today is down 100%. Today is down. US Palantir, sorry. It's down 2%. I will not be adding Palantir today. Next, Meta. Meta today up 2% in green, so I will not be adding Meta. Adobe. Adobe today down close to about lowest is 315, 316. I think I shall add one Adobe share today at 316. Let's put in the order. Let's do 315.5. One share. Adobe limit buy 315.5. Okay, it's good. One share buy. Buy Adobe, one share. Confirm. Yes. Hoping to get a better deal. Just place it a bit lower. So okay, Adobe order is sent. NVIDIA. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. 170 today. It goes to 169.5. Let's try to get NVDA at 170. 170. NVIDIA, 170, one share, buy. Double check. Okay, confirm. Order send. I have not been buying shares in this account for quite a while, so today I'm just adding some shares. I'm still quite active in my main portfolio, like some buying and selling. Sometimes I do take profit. For example, Google shoot up quite a lot. And I feel that it's quite overvalued, so I do take some profits in certain times, just to have like a more superior yield in terms of my portfolio gain. But I'm not doing much recently for this public portfolio here. So today NVDA and AMD, like I mentioned earlier, is quite in the red, so I intend to add some shares. NVDA, I've placed order. Next, Amazon, the highest they went is close to 260. Now it dropped back. The lowest point recently is around $216, just $10 above. So maybe let me put in a limit order to see I can get. Today lowest is around 223. Let me try to get Amazon at 225, okay? Amazon 225. Let me limit at 225. One share. Buy. Alright, order send. Let's close the window. What else? Fortinet. Today Fortinet is in the green. Let me see my account again. So Fortinet is only up about 7% now. I have 3 shares. I would not be adding Fortinet today. AMD again. So now around 9% AMD drop. Should I add AMD? 185, 180. I think I can add a share. Let's see. Maybe we try to put in an order for AMD at about 190. Because I think we can do it. About 190. Let's try. 190. 1. Okay. Margin confirmation. I intend to add some more cash to this account, so exceed cash buying power. It shouldn't be a problem. I'll just top up the cash later. AMD, 1 share, limit order, 90, confirm. And not all my order will be filled, because I place them quite low. Next, Marvell, I will not be doing anything today. Just a 2%. Okay, today just a quick video about showing the portfolio. Portfolio overall has lost, you can see here, negative $335. My cash portion is about $8,000 now, so now it's negative $330. It's about 8% down. It's due to the recent volatility and NVIDIA news, the NVIDIA earnings, and today just the Google news. And for this account, I do not have any Google at this moment. Yeah, but my main portfolio, I do own quite a number of shares of Google. So Google up, NVIDIA down. So it's like kind of like a balance for me. But in this portfolio, I do not own any Google. That's why the recent has not been doing so good. So, but I believe in the companies that I have owned here. So over the long term, I believe it will go back up again. So just a temporary setback. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully NVIDIA and AMD can go higher, and my portfolio looks better in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.